Live Ultimate Sports Cards, box 3 of 4, Case Break Ultimate Collection.
Come on. Shield now.
Alright, I just had to take a 2-minute intermission right there to clean up all the excitement.
All the spewing.
Doesn't happen that often, but man, that was sick. Joe Sakic, Brett Sterling. Quad jersey. Is that
Mike Modano
Mike
again?
Modano.
Okay. That was a weak-ass box number 1 in comparison to what you've been doing here. Not bad. Do better. Number 2. Whew. Hey, right there? Can you sit down?
I'm good.
Alright.
Zetterberg.
Zetterberg. Jaroslav. I always pronounce his last name wrong, though. Whoa!
That's
Is
a
that Bobby?
sweet one.
No, Ray Bork.
Nice.
Number to 50. Look at that. That's nice. A quad jersey with 2 colors on 2 different panels of that. 20 of 50 Ray Bork.
And a Cody Bass rookie.
Okay. Halfway done with box number 3. And Patrick
Malo.
Waugh.
Patrick
Waugh.
Whoa.
Sweet.
Nice. Eric Johnson, big ass jersey, number to 200. Dude, there you go. Patrick Waugh Inc. That is nice.
What's the patch gonna be?
Shield, baby. A shield.
Okay.
Come on, shield.
Maurice Perrant. And Dwayne Rollison, number 1 of 25. That is a nice patch right there. 3-color
On
patch.
one side.
And yeah, okay. Brandon Wall was pretty sick. Got a couple other decent hits in there. Decent being the key word. Not a bad box, not as good as the first 2, but stay tuned for the last box.